8 Popular Ways to Find Denver Employment Lawyers Online. For decades, lawyer advertising centered on the Yellow Pages. Even after the Supreme Court concluded advertising bans violated the First Amendment in the 1970s and law firms began running ads on radio, TV, billboards and other outlets, the Yellow Pages was still the heart of law firm advertising. That's because as a culture the phone book provided important contact information for businesses and was treated as an authority source merely for publishing free listings of addresses and phone numbers. Today you can find a local lawyer and call right from the search results from a phone in your pocket or purse. Finding lawyers online versus the phone book. Law firms advertise in search engine listings and spend considerable resources trying to position themselves within the organic search results. There are also businesses providing law firm and lawyer listings of both free and paid opportunities in addition to bar associations and lawyer referral services who provide listings. It's not always easy to trust that the lawyers you find are the right lawyers to help you with your problems. Navigating the Internet for employment lawyers in Denver. Searching for a Denver employment lawyer online can be confusing and frustrating for several reasons. Many people think of labor law or employment law as a narrow field of law. However, it is a broad area spanning every facet of the employment relationship. An employee searching for an employment lawyer often begins not knowing if there even is a legal issue or the extent of legal issues involved. That makes it difficult to know what employment lawyers should be on the list to research or contact. As an employee, you may have some idea that you have an unpaid wage issue or need a wrongful termination lawyer, but there may be several other employment law issues involved in that situation. There is no single perfect path for an employee to take to learn enough about employment law to find the right employment lawyer just by researching online. You may have to contact one or more Denver employment lawyers for a consultation to discuss your situation and determine your next steps. Conducting a Google search to find a Denver employment lawyer. Today most people begin searching for anything with a Google search, and that includes finding a lawyer. Google does not review websites or businesses to categorize their search results. Instead, it uses a complex algorithm to assess websites and businesses that it believes best apply to your search terms. Within the search results, you will see paid placements to put employment lawyers in favorable locations within the results. Like the search algorithm, Google does not assess the advertiser's skill or expertise before placing an ad. Local results reflect businesses matching the search terms in proximity to your current location. Local results are organized by its own algorithm that matches information about the business, user reviews and location to deliver a list of law firms that meet your search terms in proximity. Organic search results reflect which employment lawyer website matches your search terms. The search algorithm is a complex formula with a long list of factors that include location, content, page speed, visibility, link profile and other factors related to the website. Denver employment lawyers appear in various combinations of search terms, often for people searching in Colorado, and can vary widely in placement merely by changing the order of search terms. Although Google does not automatically produce the perfect lawyer in search results every time, it can be extremely helpful to search for Denver employment lawyers in a search engine. It is a good way to familiarize yourself with local employment lawyers and their location. Which is the right way to find a Denver employment lawyer? There is no single right way to find a Denver employment lawyer. Online research and referrals are good opportunities to find employment lawyers and research whether they may be equipped to help you with your employee rights issue. The profiles and websites for employment lawyers can help you understand which local lawyers may be a potential fit for your needs and may provide answers to employment law questions. Your research may consider several factors, and ultimately you may need to schedule a consultation with one or more attorneys to find a Denver employment lawyer that fits your needs.